Welcome back to my YouTube channel, place for the latest reviews in all things automotive. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our exciting car content. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most anticipated cars of 2025, the Škoda Octavia. This all-new model promises to redefine the compact sedan segment, offering a blend of style, technology, and performance that we've come to expect from Škoda. Let's see what makes the 2025 Škoda Octavia a standout in its class. Right off the bat, the 2025 Škoda Octavia comes with a refreshed design that oozes sophistication. The front end has been completely redesigned, featuring sharper lines and a more aggressive grille. The new Škoda logo sits proudly at the center, framed by sleek LED headlights that give the car a bold, confident stance. The bonnet is more sculpted, adding a sporty flair to the otherwise practical sedan design. The overall front profile feels more dynamic compared to its predecessor, and it sets the tone for what's to come as we move around the vehicle. Moving to the side, the 2025 Octavia maintains its characteristic proportions, but with subtle tweaks to its body lines. The sleek side profile is accentuated by a set of new alloy wheels, which not only enhance the vehicle's aesthetics but also contribute to its performance. Škoda has always excelled in providing ample interior space, and the Octavia is no different. It offers a roomy cabin for both front and rear passengers, with plenty of legroom and headspace, making it an ideal family car or a comfortable commuter vehicle. When it comes to the rear, the 2025 Škoda Octavia continues to impress. The tailgate has been redesigned to give the car a more modern and sportier look. The rear LED taillights are now sleeker and slimmer, extending across the width of the car. The new bumper design adds to the car's athletic appearance while also offering practicality, with a generous boot space that can easily accommodate all your luggage or gear for that weekend getaway. Škoda has really struck a balance between form and function here. Under the hood, the 2025 Škoda Octavia offers a wide range of engine options to suit a variety of driving styles and needs. Whether you're after fuel efficiency, performance, or a bit of both, Škoda has you covered. The petrol and diesel engines are available with various power outputs, ranging from efficient city-friendly variants to more powerful versions for those who crave a bit more performance. The Octavia is also available with mild hybrid and plug-in hybrid options, which makes it a more eco-friendly choice, without sacrificing driving pleasure. If you're looking for an even more eco-conscious ride, the fully electric Octavia variant is expected to be released shortly after the launch of the conventional engine models, further expanding Škoda's commitment to sustainability. Now, let's talk about the interior. The cabin of the 2025 Octavia is where Škoda has made significant strides. The moment you step inside, you're greeted by a tech-focused, yet ergonomic layout. The dashboard is dominated by a large touchscreen infotainment system, which is responsive, intuitive, and packed with features. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium sound system come as standard, ensuring your drive is both convenient and enjoyable. One of the most exciting features of the new Octavia is the updated virtual cockpit, which replaces the traditional instrument cluster. This digital display offers customizable options, providing you with all the information you need in an easily accessible format. From navigation to real-time driving data, it's all at your fingertips, right in front of you. Škoda has also added a host of new driver assistance features to the 2025 Octavia, making it one of the safest cars in its segment. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and park assist are just a few of the standard features that come with this car. It also includes advanced safety features such as multiple airbags, reinforced safety zones, and a reinforced body structure that ensures maximum protection in the event of a collision. Whether you're driving on highways or navigating city streets, the 2025 Octavia has you covered with its advanced tech and safety systems. On the road, the 2025 Škoda Octavia provides a driving experience that strikes a perfect balance between comfort and sportiness. The suspension system has been fine-tuned to offer a smooth ride, while the steering is responsive and precise, making it a joy to drive on both twisty country roads and long highway journeys. The powertrains available provide plenty of performance for a sedan of this class, with a seamless shift between gears and a quiet, refined cabin that enhances the driving experience. Another impressive aspect of the 2025 Škoda Octavia is its fuel efficiency. The engines have been engineered to deliver impressive mileage, which is great news for anyone who wants to save money at the pump. The mild hybrid and plug-in hybrid options also offer an even more eco-conscious driving experience, giving you the ability to run on electric power for short distances, reducing emissions and further improving fuel efficiency. Now, let's dive into pricing and availability. While Škoda hasn't officially announced the pricing yet, we expect the 2025 Octavia to fall within a competitive price range for the segment. Given its features, performance, and overall quality, it will likely be a great value compared to rivals in the compact sedan class. The car is expected to hit showrooms in the second half of 2025, so be sure to visit your local Škoda dealer to get a first-hand look at this impressive vehicle. In conclusion, the 2025 Škoda Octavia has a lot to offer. With its refreshed design, advanced technology, impressive performance, and practicality, it's clear that Škoda has worked hard to refine an already excellent model. Whether you're after a family-friendly sedan, a tech-packed commuter car, or something that offers a bit of both, the 2025 Octavia is definitely worth considering. It offers excellent value for money, and we can't wait to see how it performs on the road. That's it for today's review of the 2025 Škoda Octavia. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button and leave a comment below with your thoughts on the car. Would you choose the 2025 Octavia as your next car, or would you go for a competitor? We'd love to hear your opinions. And, of course, don't forget to subscribe to Car Garage for more reviews, news, and updates on the latest in the automotive world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.